Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today, I don't know if you can hear the dull whir. I thought I would show you my new laminator. I don't know if y'all have an Aldi's by you, but they had laminators for, was it less than 30 bucks, like $25? And then I got extra pouches. Now, I don't expect this to be the best laminator in the world, but it was cheaper than most of the ones I'd seen on Amazon, and I figured why not give it a shot. So that's what we're gonna do today. Right now it's warming up, and I think what we're gonna do, see, this is those like, do I start with something I don't care as much about or something I do care about? I think we're gonna go with something I don't care as much about. It's not that I don't care, but so I made this like bookmark card. This was a journaling card from Creating and Code, and then I just put some fun stickers on the back. Nothing like too crazy. So like if something would happen to this, I would not be thoroughly upset. Here are the pouches. I'm trying to figure out exactly how these work, but I will. Oh, that's not hard. That's not hard at all. And they said to put it as close to the edge as possible, but if I'm gonna end up like punching it, I have other space there. Should I? No, it's okay because we bought other pouches, and I'm supposed to make sure that it's sealed down. I did. They had like some different sized pouches as well. Oh, are we starting to get red? We're starting to turn red. So we're gonna see how this works. I don't know if this will take the 5mm pouches. This definitely, it didn't say on the containers what size it was, like the pouches, but I assumed it was gonna be the 3mm. Turns from black to red. Okay. I think we're ready. Let's see what happens. So I'm supposed to put this with the closed end, and it's supposed to just start, right? Or am I supposed to do it that side? Like this makes more, no, I think it's this side. Yes, no. Probably should just let it go, right? See, this is why we start with things we don't necessarily have feelings about. Oh, it's getting warm. I don't know, friends. Oh. It said it would automatically start going. I did read the instructions, I promise. Watch, I bet you it's gonna be this side. We're gonna try something. Ready? Yep. It's cool. This is why you're with me for the ride. We just had a moment, friends. It's okay. Oh, yeah. I don't hate that. So yes, I know I'm wasting a ton of laminate right there, but for the first job, I'm okay with that. We're gonna do a second job though. We are. Sweet. So yeah, like totally not, but very firm. Better than I expected. All right, let's try something else. We're gonna do my freebies from Coffee Planner Mom. That's why I was like, do I want to start with that or no? And then I have some ideas for like, what's it called? What's it called, Holly? Some like wet erase pages for my planner. So super stoked, super. All right, so here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go 1, 2. I feel like there's got to be a way to use the excess, but I'm gonna leave more space on this one. 3. Oh, we want this one instead. So these 2 can stay. Because I just like them as memory keeping. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and just do it again this way. Because I know. Okay, let's see. It should just go. Oh, that did a funky thing, but nothing horrible. I know, it's so exciting, right? Friends, as of right now, I totally recommend. If you're looking for a laminator, now obviously I won't always be able to get the pouches. Let's go ahead and turn him off and let him do his thing. I'm gonna get some good scissors, because that's the thing. And Sharpie is huffing at me because it's around nap time on Wednesday. It's okay, Sharpie, don't. Oh, didn't mean to like. I'm also looking for something that can make like some covers for me. I'm gonna leave some space. And I think these would be perfect because they're firm, but they're not too crazy. I might leave that little bit at the top. But yeah, so that turned out good. And the back looks fine. Don't hate that. And then let's cut these guys apart. This guy's still cooling down, so you see, when I first put it in, I just didn't have it quite flush, so it rolled just a touch. Man, this is gonna be good for school. Have room for all these activities. Anyone? What movie? I'm gonna have to start giving prizes for movie quotes, but I think that one's pretty easy. Now I have all the space for activities. So this was my first PR freebie. This is my second PR freebie. This is my third PR freebie. I just love Coffee Planner Mom stickers too much. It's clearly the issue. But is it an issue? So that's the third one, and this is my current one. And I got this idea from Gail. She's also been a PR girl for Coffee Planner Mom, and I noticed that she started laminating this, which is great because we all know that I've had a sprinkle accident. Well, maybe you don't all know, where some of my stickers got stained. That can't happen here. It's like sealed very nicely. It's better than my school laminator. like the one that we have at school for teachers. So that's pretty cool. All right, well, if you have an Aldi's by you and you need a laminator, totally recommend. If you don't, I'm so sorry. Aldi's was amazing. Other than that, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my videos, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you in the next one.